It was snowing really heavy this morning, and now the snow has stopped. Just a few little flakes out there, but it's supposed to get 3 to 5 inches of snow tonight. We're in a winter weather advisory, storm warning, blizzard. They said 50-mile-per-hour winds with like 3/16 inch of ice out too. So we're going to go in the garage and get some batteries on the charger in case we need them. This Everstar here is from 2011. That's from the Shade Tree Fix-It Man. It still was taking juice and was working. And the AC Delco is from one of Mom's friends. They sold their car or something. They brought it over here. So I'm gonna put the battery tender on one, and then I think it's right here, isn't it? Yeah, Amanda bought me this fancy battery charger thing here for Christmas. So I'm gonna try that out. I don't know. I like just the ones where you just click it on and then they work. Not this where you gotta press all these button things. So you never know if they're working. You don't have a gauge to tell you. It started out as one red. Now it's got 2 red and then an orange. I don't know if it has to go through some sort of a cycle. I suppose I should read instructions or watch a video, but that's way too much work for this. Somebody tell me down below how this thing works. Otherwise, I got this old one I got from Shade Tree Fix Man. You just plug it in. It's between red and orange right now. And when it gets done charging, it'll be at green. I got that one on that one on another one. Lolly approves, and we're good to go. Right? Yep. Down, puppy, down, you're dirty. So then I'd use these with the inverter. If I needed an inverter, then I can invert something, you know. I just have a small inverter. I had a big one, but then I sold it. So, oh, so now it says this is green. So what on earth does that mean? It can't be charger ready. I know it's more like a battery maintainer, that thing is, but should still put some juice in it. It's supposed to have some sort of a battery mode where it can rejuvenate a battery too. No idea. We'll see what happens. They're blowing up over there too. Yeah. All your other friends are jealous that I got to hold you, but you're not very jealous, are you? Well, this is the mop kitty Amanda likes. You gotta keep it as a pet. Keep it. Watch this cat here. Yeah, you can do it. Yeah, don't be camera shy. I know how you do this. But I gotta keep this cat friendly. Not that one there. That one's about ready to jump on the roof there. And then he's gonna jump over there. Then he's gonna look at my window at night. Yeah, aren't you? You wanna go up there with him? Oh, I missed it. It went up there. So, we didn't get that snowstorm they were talking about. We did get some rain. That turned everything muddy. And it's supposed to be 40 degrees for the last couple days. And you seen that one video, got my car stuck in the garage there. It's all just water. Have to haul some dirt in there next year. It's all water, and now it's ice, and now it's all mud. I did make a little drainage system the other day with some stuff to get the water out, but everything slopes back that way. So that's how that's looking. I think we're gonna have a lot of water in the garage this year, so we got a lot of snow here. And the chickens are out, Barb. See, the chickens are out there. They're out enjoying the nice weather. Lolly wants to eat one, but they're out here rummaging around looking for little goodies to eat. Springtime is coming. It doesn't look like no more snow in the forecast, but some 50s, some 70s. So all this stuff should melt away pretty soon. By this time last year, there was no snow on the ground. Well, it's about 2 days later from the last video, and see, the snow is disappearing. I got my shorts on already. Whew. But here's how I don't want all the snow here to melt and go right into the garage like normal. So I was wondering if I dig like a little trench and get it to start running down this little hill here. Will help it some. That is the plan of attack right now. I got a little bit of a trench there, but it's a little bit too frozen right now. It's early in the morning, so I have to wait till it warms up more in the afternoon and do that.